Let me show you how to add texture on text in Photoshop. First, create a new project and follow these settings. Then go to Adjustment option and click on Solid Color. And choose whatever color you want. Now type your text. Then rescale it by press Ctrl+T. Then go to Layer Style and choose Drop Shadow. Now follow these settings. Then add another drop shadow and follow this setting. Now let's drag our texture to Photoshop and rescale it. Then right-click on your texture and click on Create Clipping Mask. Then adjust your scale. Now go to Adjustment Layer and choose Levels. Then click on this icon and follow this process. Yeah, that is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.